Because you look like you're tormented. You can't tell say feel life tormented. From a look pan Ladonna, you can't see say dopey the pan her. Just a ride her back. Goodies, we're going down to Mark Zuckerberg yard. Mark Zuckerberg, here we come. We need to find him address and go in yard. Cause me want ask Mr. Zuckerberg. Cause me need to want know what they on social media. So yesterday, an individual come on social media to address me for my actions. Come on social media to question my parenting skills, to give me advice, and to tell me how degrading of a person I am, and to judge me as a businesswoman. You know, she went on her live and she did a long live. You know, she spoke about what happened. I'm not gonna repeat it. What happened a couple days ago on social media, and how much she was so disgusted, and if it was her, what she would do and what she would not do. You understand? And you are one of them. You see, before I leave out of this house, yeah, me I go bury you too. Because me not set the date yet, you know. But you see, before we left out here, me and my goodies them, we go dress up in our full suit of black. More everybody put on some form of black. Yeah? And we're going to give all of these people a funeral before I leave Florida. We're going to bury them. Because we're not carry them. Go all the way to Texas with we. But my thing with you, Ladonna, Michelle Ladonna, you fucker, yo. You come on social media. But yeah, degrade me and I done me for people. And they did deal with you. Me have to wonder. I don't understand how them done you like that after you was sticking up for them. No, but Heather, she was defending these people, and the people them come out and cuss her as me come out for the phone. As me come out for the phone, she was defending them and calling me all kind of disgrace and all these things, and I am shook. I'm shocked that they turn around and they done her. Me say, I laugh till my belly hurt me. Oh yeah, stick up for these people and them turn around and cuss you and class and say you're too enough. But me didn't know say you was a part of the Bad Mother Club on social media to Ladonna. I never know that if it wasn't for the voice video when me listen to, where somebody sent me on WhatsApp. You are part of the Bad Mothers Club. You was not a good mother neither. You understand? So I am surprised that you came on here to address my parenting skills and to address me for people that turn around and cuss you. Me not tell no lie. Me know you sit down all the way to England and scratch your head because me confused too. Me I wonder how you did a cuss for these people and them turn around and cuss you. My think me that shame. Me feel shame and know me. Yes man. That me say the girl come out and I defend the people them and the people them turn around and cuss her dog shame. Bad to bad man. I feel away. I feel away. Cause the way all your class me for these people and the way all me hear the woman deal with you. Can't believe say I saw the woman angry you like drunk crow. She read you your rights, my love. You deserved it. You deserve it. And I would send you that picture too, but after that she put you in your place. She put you in your place. So I'm not after bother send you the picture too. She just, know, oh, you there all the way to England, my love. Big time difference from USA. You know how far you're there at England? You're too enough. You is too enough. You're too even up. You fucker, you Ladonna. But Lesha, look here, Lesha. I know where you're from now, eh? I don't know you. I never did know say you exist. Me surprised when me go up on YouTube and hear say Ladonna have a message to me because I don't even know you. Me never follow you. I've never ever follow you. Me never view one of your posts them. I didn't even know that you exist on social media. That go with you, Ladonna. Because you look like you need the savior in your life. because you look like you're tormented. You can't tell say feel your life tormented. From me look pan Ladonna, you can't see say dopey de pan her. Just a ride her back. You're haunted. And you don't have nothing about yourself. You don't have no ambition. And you don't have no class. You don't have no class and you don't have no ambition. 100,000 followers. And before you sit down at UK, go find something for go sell. You can't sell little hair oil. Look how you have a good ear head on your head. The amount of ear oil you would have sell already. You could have buy a vehicle. Because people business evidently not making no money. People business are blogging cause I am a blogger. I am a blogger. Use a bugu, use not a blogger. Cause you not make no money off of blogging. Blogging on Facebook. You need to go on YouTube. Cause if you were on YouTube with your blogging, you'd have make more money. You sit on YouTube, you don't even have no sense. You're so educated. I tell you about these educated people on social media who are so educated till you're dumb. You come on Facebook, everybody go on YouTube. Go find a hustle. 100,000 followers is a lot of people that could be buying something from you. Cause the people them where you are addressing, all of them are sell things. You cannot address people on social media that is selling their goods. Bad to bad. The people them where you talk about, even though we saw bagger and we're so this and we saw that, we're selling something. Bad to bad. I sell where I sell. Everybody have something selling but you. What are you doing? I address big woman from young girl. What are you doing with yourself? Go sell something now. Go sell something to make jawbone glow. Cause for your jawbone is so big. There's other people out there with big jawbone like your one. Teach look sitting now to make your maybe other people want them jawbone painted like your one. You know? Cause you are a beautiful person. She's beautiful. You're a beautiful woman. No, but you are in everybody problem and every business. Your head soon explode. They say your fucking head big. You say your head big, but you want to tell me how to be a parent. You can't tell me how to be a parent. Because the people them where you are defend come on Facebook this morning and read your rights, my love. Mighty God. But you know what? Bad to bad, you know? Them people are bipolar bad. Because imagine, you know, you defend the woman, say me send her a picture of my rear end. Right? I saw you say, no, I'm so disgusting. And the same people when me send my rear end come on social media cuss you. Come like she all a cuss you for me. You know, see she a cuss you for me, Ladonna. You know shame. You know shame. She a cuss you for me. Because you compare and you call me bad parent and she did put you in her place. Because me never know all of those things about you and your parenting skills. Me didn't know say you depend on social media call me bad parent and you live a north and your pitney them live a salt. I never know that. No, I need to find Mark Zuckerberg. Come on, know what is going on social media. I cannot believe the things that I'm hearing. You came out and you call me a bad parent and call me a nasty, degrading, no integrity. Oh, God. I kind of felt away. That part that pinched me. When you said, and she has no integrity. Ooh. But the thing is, I feel like a lot of times, when people say shit about you, I understand. I'm soon getting at the rhythm. Because I don't always address everybody. Right? And I know I got to get to the point where eventually I'm going to just have to ignore people because I am. But maybe I'm not falling at a rhythm there where I just ignore people. Because eventually, because in real life, you have some people that are defensive people. You understand? And you got some people that are good at ignoring. I'm not a good person at ignoring. Sometimes I just entertainment. But the woman have our gala. I'm bad to bad. I love for she me all away. So we not call her name or nothing. Make the woman promote her sitting in a peace. and focus on our gala, alright? We want everybody to win. But anyway, have I done packing? No, I'm almost done though. I'm almost done. You ready again, Titi?
Yeah.
Neely, didn't I say today's a no phone day? Later, you guys. Me just did want to come on and answer that because I thought that shit was so funny. I don't care. By that time, them don't get them burial service. And I won't be answering anybody. When I move, I'm not answering nobody. Girl, bye. Bye, bye.